Welcome back again sa Toledo Med, and ang treatment natin ngayon is black dull therapy. Ang black dull therapy is Nd:YAG laser na ginagamit natin for whitening and pore minimizing. It is also indicated sa mga nagpapatattoo removal and at the same time for pigmentation like freckles, melasma, and age pad. So in this case, ang patient natin is gusto niya magpa-whiten and at the same time magpa-minimize ng pores. Ito yung mga concoction. So may mga vitamins na kailangan sa black dull therapy, oil vitamins, and a black baby carbon. So kung wala itong ingredient, the laser will not work. So as you can see, ito yun na yung black baby carbon. We can start the laser treatment sa patient natin. The treatment will last for around 5 to 10 minutes. So hindi naman siya ganun ka-painful. Actually, wala kang pain na mararamdaman. Medyo mainit lang ng konti. And it has a lot of shots. So may maririnig kayo or may maririnig ang pasyente, but it's nothing. So the sound lang yun ng laser natin. So I'm gonna do the black dull therapy, which is bago pa lang dito sa Philippines. So once again, sa mga patient na gusto maging porcelain yung cutis, mawawala yung malalaking pores or ma-minimize, and at the same time magla-lighten yung skin in just a matter of one session, you can as well try the black dull therapy. Okay, so basically, lahat ng black carbon, isa-shot natin. And then, after finishing, kailangan ilagay yung ibang vitamins na nandun sa, sa black dull specific vitamins. And then, afterwards, maghugas na yung patient. Then, tingnan natin yung result right after the treatment. So, this is very good indicated for melasma, skin pigmentations, pores, and instant whitening effect. So, thank you sa pagkikisama sa akin dito ngayon sa black dull therapy. See you again on the next treatment dito pa rin sa Toledo Med.
Fast, safe, effective. Try now.